Alright everyone, so Happy New Year, belated Merry Christmas, and this is Yad once again. I know I've been out of YouTube for quite some time, but just to give you a little update on the bus rapid transit here in Cebu City, the construction of this, I don't know how you call it, if it's development. Yeah, it would be development, and I hope it's gonna ease the traffic situation here in the city. So as you can see, there's already a foundation for that infrastructure they are trying to build here in Cebu City, and hopefully it's gonna be over soon, because since it's a holiday here, there's no congestion. So traffic is flowing, yet when it's school days, work days, normal days, especially during peak hours, traffic is not as easy as this. Alright, so let's go to the other side of the street, showing you Fuente Osmeña. Kindly hold on, guys. So here you can see boulders. I don't know what you call it. I know this is going to be used also for the foundation of this BRT, and right in front of you is the big Christmas tree that was lit up during the opening of the Pasko sa Cebu, or Christmas in Cebu, last December 1. Okay, so you can see also some concretes there, and I don't know how you call it. I could not name them because I'm not into construction, but I know those are concrete cemented, maybe markers, I don't know. And that one also. So traffic is really quite easy and free-flowing. So that's the update right now about the bus rapid transit, or the BRT in Cebu City, and I hope you had a nice Christmas and looking forward to the new year 2024. So whatever you wish, you pray and want to achieve this coming 2024, I hope you'll be able to realize them. And don't forget, keep the faith. Bye for now, and Happy New Year.